Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I am going to show you a mouth-watering traditional Indian biscuit which is loved by everybody. That is Naan Khatai. It is a simple and tasty recipe and very easy to make. It has a crunchy crumbly texture and the aroma of cardamom, gram flour and ghee, and very simple to make at home. Before we go ahead, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. The ingredients to prepare the Naan Khatai are maida 1 and 1/4 cup, gram flour or besan 2 tablespoons, powdered sugar half cup, semolina or suji 2 tablespoons, the fine variety, pure ghee or dalda half cup. You can take as per choice. I will be using the pure ghee. Cardamom powder or elaichi powder half teaspoon. So let's prepare the dough for our Naan Khatai biscuits. Take the ghee into a bowl. Beat the ghee till smooth and creamy. Say around for 5 minutes. I am using a hand whisk. I am using the pure ghee. It has a little grainy texture. You can also use dalda if you wish. Our ghee is nice and creamy and smooth. Now I shall add half the powdered sugar, add the remaining powdered sugar and continue beating the mixture till it forms nice stiff peaks. It has formed nice stiff peaks. Now we shall add half the maida and mix it. Add the suji, add the besan and continue mixing it. Add the remaining maida and the cardamom powder or elaichi powder and mix it. Now I shall be using my hands to knead it into a soft dough. We shall not add any water to the dough. We shall just knead it together with the moisture of the ghee and sugar. Our dough for the Naan Khatai biscuits is ready. I have switched on the oven and kept it at 180 degrees to preheat for 10 minutes. I have taken a tray and placed a piece of butter paper or parchment paper in it. I will be brushing it a little with some butter or melted ghee. Now we shall take small balls of the dough and between the palm of our hands we shall roll it into a smooth ball and slightly press it down. Take another bit of the dough in the same way, roll it between your palms till it has a smooth ball, press it slightly and place it. We shall make all the remaining Naan Khatai biscuits in the same way. We shall make a little impression with a thumb and put a little bit of pista slivers into it. Our naan khatai biscuits are ready to go into the oven. We shall bake it in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes on 180 degrees centigrade. So friends, our mouth-watering naan khatai biscuits are ready. Do try this at home for your family and friends and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next video. Till then, bye-bye.